Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put shape on CapCut. Okay, let's get started. Here I have created a project on CapCut and I'm going to put a shape on this video. If you want to do that, first thing first, we can add background color to this project. I'm going to go to the CapCut library and I'm going to search for example, white background. Okay, and then I'm going to download this white background and I'm going to add it to the timeline or the track. I'm going to make it align with my video. And to add shape, we're going to use mask. So here we can go to the mask option and then you can choose the shape you want to add to your video. For example, I'm just going to choose the star. We can click on mask and I'm going to choose star. Okay, now it's done and this is the shape we have just added. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put shape on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.